Welcome to our channel. Okay guys, something interesting versus the version in the 2500 Dodge Ram when it comes to the door panels. We have this slightly variation in the panel when it comes to the 1500, and it's the insert. Normally in the 2500, all this section comes with screws. In the 1500, it's welded, so it's not really accessible. You're gonna have two T20s, Torx 20, right here in the end to hold to the main housing. This housing is also removable in the 2500, but it's not in the 1500. So this is a variation. I believe it has to do with the series, because the 2500 is more heavy duty. It's a different build. Now, when it comes to the dismantling, guys, this door has clips all around. They're very, very solid. So you need to be careful when you pry them. Once you have one corner of the panel, you just pry it hard and it will release. But it's not that simple. The top part you have to release with a long clip remover like this. Otherwise, it's gonna be very difficult to access those clips. So that's a variation in this truck. Also, when it comes to the removal in this section right here, you're gonna have obviously the corner that it goes over here in this section, and the bottom section. This one doesn't come in the 2500, so this is the section that goes there, and the door panel is held by one 10 millimeters on top and two 10 millimeters in the middle. And then you pry the door out. The housing stays. Don't try to remove the housing. And also the handle stays in the door panel, so it doesn't stay in the truck like in the 2500. And this is how the panel looks like once the insert is removed. And the insert go back like this. And to put it back on, we're gonna use sheet metal screws with a 1/4 length. These are the self-piercing screws, so you can hold this one back. So that's more or less the variation when it comes to this panel, and I didn't want to lose the opportunity to show you how it's built, so you don't make a mistake and pry the ground pieces, it becomes a nightmare. So there you have it, guys. We're just gonna trim this one like we do in the 2500. If you guys are not familiar, look for the video for the 2500. It has everything there, from the console, the front seats, rear seats, and also the inserts for the door panel. And this we just gonna make it a separate video because it's the 1500. It's different. I don't remember the previous versions of this truck coming like this, but we haven't really make many door panels because mostly it goes just to the seats. But there you have it. Be careful. Now we use a tool to remove the welding, which is this. It's like a flat eating rotary bit, but it's flat, so it really cuts just around the circle. I just cut this other section. I'm gonna show you in a minute, so you see how this tool operates. They're not sold like this. Actually, this one is custom built, but you can find something similar because this tool goes like this and it removes the plastic. I think I get this one from a machine shop. I just put the center bit right there. That's how I build this tool. I don't know if they sell something for this application, for this kind of thing, but that's more or less the removal. I just have to take off these two screws and the panel will come off. So guys, like and subscribe if you find this video useful, and visit LeatherTeck.com, EM Upholstery Technology. I always want to help you so you can do the installation yourself, and if you don't dare to do that, you are welcome to come right here to San Bernardino so we can do it for you.